Alright, what's up guys? This is James again. Just doing a new bike check. Some people have been asking me about it and do another one because this is not a stock bike anymore. Alright, starting at the top, we got ODI long neck grips. Nice and soft. Stretched them out. Feel good. Got the Shadow Conspiracy Barons. Just put these in yesterday. Hopefully these will last. Some people said they last like 2 years. Hopefully they will. And we got the Shadow Voltus bars. Really good bars, strong. Got the Strike Stem, hollow bolts, super light. It's got the cutouts right there, it's super sick. You can see the fork. And got the Voltus forks. Sick. It's got the rake is set back on it, so it's easier for nose tricks. Let's see the wheel. We got Demolition Momentum tire. Love them. Got the Odyssey Quadrant rim laced to a Bandero 2 hub, custom hub cleaner. We got right here we got the, I think it's the Jersey barrier, hub guard, and shadow peg. Moving over here, we got the Odyssey headset in black, and the frame is a stock frame from a Sunday Aaron Ross Complete Pro bike, and the cranks are Odyssey 12 bolt 175, nice and good, like them strong. Got the twisted PCs on there, nice, and I think that's some bird shit up in there. I want to zoom in that, yeah. And, this side we got a Shadow sprocket. Nice and light. Got the KMC heavy duty chain. Gotta stay with that heavy duty. Ain't snapping chains around here. Got the G Sport ratchet hub. Super strong. Doing Odyssey Quadrant in the back again in a Demolition Momentum, and G Sport hub guard on the G Sport hub, and a shadow peg. And the seat is a Mike Aiken Pivotal. Love it. Super comfy, super slim. It's got a Sunday seat clamp and stock post. And I think that's it.
And female axles.
No one cares about that.
Son, I don't give a fuck what they care about.
No one cares about it. They can tell it's female axles.